As you browse our website and check out our meal plans, we know questions may arise in the sign-up process. In this video, we'll walk you through how to sign up for your meal plan step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Meal Plan Options page by opening the Meal Plan drop-down menu and selecting Meal Plan Options. On this page, you'll find student and faculty meal plans, perks of having a meal plan, and links to helpful things like meal plan terms and conditions. Now it's time to pick out your meal plan. We've separated our student meal plans on our website by plans for on- and off-campus students. Simply select the one that matches your plans for the upcoming semester, and then you can choose the meal plan that's best for you. Once you know what meal plan you want, just click Add to Cart. From here, you can either continue browsing our website or click the Proceed to Cart button to check out. In your shopping cart, you'll be able to see what meal plans you've selected and how many you've selected. Remember, you only need to sign up for one plan. Our meal plans span both the fall and spring semester. If you're signing up while we're running a promotion, be sure to add your promo code in the right-hand side of the screen and hit Apply. If the promo code is valid, you'll see a message like this one appear to confirm that the promotion has been applied to your order. Once you're ready to check out, click on the Checkout button. You'll now have the option to sign in or check out as a guest. If you're a student signing up for a meal plan, you'll be able to sign in using your FSU login credentials. If you're not a student, you can sign in using your SeminoleDining.com account credentials. If you aren't a student and you don't yet have an account with us, you'll have the chance to either create an account or opt for a guest checkout. Now, you'll just need to fill out all the information on the final checkout page. We ask for information about the person signing up for the meal plan and the person that will be using the meal plan. If you're a parent or family member signing up for a meal plan on behalf of a student, you'll need the student's EMPL ID, or EMPLID. This is a 9-digit number that students can find by logging into their My FSU portal. As for payment of meal plans, you'll select the Bill to Account option. All meal plans bill to students' accounts, meaning you won't be paying anything for them up front. The price of the meal plan will be billed to the same account as tuition, and you'll pay for your meal plan in the same place and manner as your tuition. Lastly, you'll want to check the box certifying that you've read and acknowledged our terms and conditions, and click Complete Purchase. And that's it! You should see this confirmation page once you're all done, and you should receive a confirmation email as well. Should you need any help using your meal plan, feel free to call us at 850-644-3663 or email us at seminoledining@fsu.edu. Welcome to FSU. We can't wait to serve you.